Good morning, children. Thought of the week is always remember that you are absolutely unique, just like everyone else. Children, we have started chapter 9 in the last period only, that is discount and commission. So, today we are starting the practice set 9.1. Before starting practice set 9.1, some formulae we must know. That is, selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. Marked price means the actual price of that item and minus discount. If the percentage of discount is X, then what will be your formula? X upon 100 is equal to discount upon marked price. And from this formula, we can calculate discount is equal to marked price into X upon 100. So with this formula, we will start now first sum of practice set 9.1. So it's very easy now. See what price are given, mark price and selling price are given, and we have to find the discount. So solution, mark price is equal to how much? 1700 rupees. Selling price is 1540. What will be the discount? So what is the formula for discount? Discount is equal to mark price minus selling price, that is 1700 minus 1540. So which is equal to rupees 160. Therefore discount is rupees 160. So first sum is over now. Now let us start the second sum. Here what is given? If mark price is rupees 990 and percentage of discount is 10, then find the selling price. When we have to calculate selling price, the method is different. Here we have to use two formulas. First, mark price is 990 and discount percent is given as 10 and selling price we have to calculate. So discount percent formula is what? Discount upon mark price into 100. So what is discount percent? 10 is given, is equal to discount upon mark price. What is mark price here? 990 into 100. So now from this formula we can calculate discount is equal to, here cross multiplication of 10 into 990 upon 100. So here 1 0 is cancelled with 10 and again next 0 is cancelled with 990. So now what is left here? Only 99. So this is your discount. Now to find the selling price, which formula you will use? Selling price is equal to mark price minus discount, that is 990 minus 99. So answer is 891. This is your selling price. Let us come towards the third sum. If selling price is rupees 900, discount is 20%, then find the mark price. Now see solution. What is given first? Selling price is 900, discount percent is given and we have to calculate mark price. So suppose here if mark price is rupees 100, because mark price, that is actual price of that item, is not given. So we have to suppose over here, if the mark price is rupees 100, what will be the discount? Discount is 20%. Then what will be the selling price? Selling price means whatever mark price we are supposing. From that we will subtract the percent, however whatever percent is given, that is 100 is the mark price minus discount. So 100 minus 20 is 80 rupees. So this 80 rupees is your selling price. When the mark price is 100, selling price is 80. But in our sum, selling price is 900. Then what will be the mark price? Let the mark price be X. Then we will take the ratio now. Mark price and selling price ratio. So 80 upon 100. What is 80? 80 first here we have calculated as selling price. So selling price is 80 upon mark price, that is 100, is equal to selling price here is 900 upon mark price is X. So 80 upon 100 is equal to 900 upon X. So how to calculate X now? X is equal to cross multiplication here, 100 into 900, that is 900 into 100 upon what? 80. So after cancellation we will get 1125. So what is X? X is 1125 and X we have supposed here mark price. So what is the mark price? The mark price is rupees 1125. So here we have finished the third sum, and children, let us come towards the fourth sum of that exercise. The mark price of the fan is rupees 3000. Shopkeeper gave 12% discount on it. Find the total discount and selling price of the fan. So here we have to calculate the total discount and selling price. So first of all, what is given? Mark price of the fan is given. That we will write in solution as rupees 3000, and discount is given as 12%. So what will be the total discount and selling price of the fan? So we have the formula discount percent. What is discount percent formula? Discount percent is equal to discount upon marked price into 100. Now here discount percent is 12. So 12 is equal to discount upon mark price. Here we have mark price given as 3000. So discount upon 3000 into 100. And from this, what is discount? Discount is equal to this, two zeros are cancelled with 100 from 3000, and what is left in the denominator? Only 30. So 12 is multiplied with 30 here. Discount is equal to 12 multiplied by 30, that is 360. This is your discount. Now we have discount also, we have mark price also, so we can calculate selling price. Selling price is equal to mark price minus discount. So 3000 minus 360, that is rupees 2640. So in this way we have calculated now selling price. So what is the selling price of the fan now? 2640. Now children, up till here we have finished 4 sums of practice set 9.1. So have you understood? Now here take out your textbook and page number 55. From that page number 55 of practice set 9.1, the 5th and 7th sum are crossed. They are not in the syllabus for this year only. So children, you will make a cross with a pencil for 5th sum and 7th sum only, not others. Okay, only 5th and 7th sum. Got it? Now come towards the next sum in the next part. Okay.